ni Arigitani aria makoretwo maigite miro yao thi kwa ihinda ria thikũ 15 riu. Monganite guthingiriria thirikari ikire kirore wiguano uria maiguithanirie na thirikari nene oro ndomwe na thirikari cia matura wigie mirutire yao ya wira undu uria utigite arwaru aingi makinyamarika thibitarĩ-ini cia muingi. Thenge ya gukorwo na wiguano ucio, arigitani aya kuhitukira muikariri giti Seth Panyako ni maugite ni meguthie na mbere na mirurungano ino nginyagia riria mateta mao magathikiririo.
I can tell you for free, we are pulling out all nurses, including managers. No one should now stay in a hospital in the pretext of managers. When things became thick for doctors, even consultants pulled out. So our nurses, we are pulling them. We don't want to hear about ICU. Everything must now close down. Everything. Yes. We are not going to talk about everything must close down in public health facilities.
No ona kuhana oro uguo ni mamenereirie kamiti ya kurora micara ya aruti wira a thirikari makiuga niyo kihinga kinene hari wiguithanio wao gatagati ka thirikari nene na thirikari cia matura. Panyako niaugite ni mehariirie kunanira njungwa na thirikari nene kuona uria mateta mao mangihingio.
We have a meeting with the Minister of Health to resolve the issue in the national sector, because even the Minister of Health has realized that there is a problem and they don't want the mess to continue. And we want to sign the Minister of Health, and they will call off strike in Mathare, Spinal and Port Health. But the rest account governments will continue. Moi River is on strike fully, 100%. And we will not be taking them back as long as RM thinks nurses are a support staff.
Kuringana na kiama giki kurutithio wira kwa wiguano wao na thirikari gukuhuthira ciringi bilioni 7.2 no thirikari ikauga kuhingio kwa mateta ma arigitani aya gukuhuthira ciringi bilioni 40. Kiama giki ni kiugite kwahota gututhuka mirimo ugwati iharo-ini cia ndege kumana na gukorwo ati gutiri na aruti wira mathibitari-ini. Hadini ha Kameme TV, Jitagwo Ngina wa Wandurwa.